Today I am reviewing the Getorli Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Getorli Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS is a powerful example of how modern computing has evolved. What looks like a compact, space-saving mini desktop is actually a full-blown performance machine, capable of replacing traditional tower PCs for most users. Designed for home, office, creative work, and even gaming, this mini PC delivers impressive speed, connectivity, and multitasking power in an incredibly small footprint. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, an 8-core, 16-thread processor with boost speeds reaching up to 4.9 GHz. This is not an entry-level chip. It's a high-performance mobile processor commonly found in premium laptops and compact workstations. In everyday use, this means lightning-fast responsiveness, smooth multitasking, and the ability to handle demanding workloads such as video editing, software development, music production, data analysis, and even mainstream gaming without breaking a sweat. Graphics performance is handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU, which is one of the strongest integrated graphics solutions available today. While this is not a dedicated gaming GPU, it performs exceptionally well for its class. You can expect smooth performance in esports titles, older AAA games at optimized settings, and excellent acceleration for creative applications. For professionals and casual gamers alike, this level of GPU performance inside a mini PC is extremely impressive. One of the standout strengths of this Getorli Mini PC is its memory and storage configuration. It comes equipped with 32GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking, large datasets, and professional applications. What's even more impressive is expandability. The system supports upgrades up to 256 GB of RAM, making it suitable for advanced users with future needs in mind. Storage is equally strong, thanks to the 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Boot times are nearly instant, applications open quickly, and large file transfers happen without delay. For users who need more space, the storage can be expanded up to 4 TB, making this mini PC ideal for creators working with large video files, raw photos, or extensive project archives. Another major highlight is multi-display support. This mini PC can drive up to 4 independent displays, each supporting 4K resolution at up to 120 Hz. With dual USB-C 4 ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort, this setup is perfect for traders, programmers, content creators, and productivity power users who rely on multiple monitors. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, editing timelines, or building a home theater setup, the visual flexibility here is outstanding. Despite its small size, thermal performance is taken seriously. Getorli uses an advanced cooling system with 3 copper heat pipes, ensuring efficient heat dissipation even under sustained heavy loads. This design helps maintain high clock speeds over long work sessions, preventing thermal throttling and keeping the system stable, quiet, and reliable. For users who run demanding applications for hours at a time, this is a crucial advantage. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC truly shines. It features dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, which is rare in compact systems and extremely valuable for professionals, home servers, and users who require fast, stable wired networking. This setup is also excellent for network redundancy, virtualization, or advanced home lab environments. In addition to wired connectivity, the Getorli Mini PC includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast wireless speeds, low latency, and strong connections with modern peripherals. The port selection is generous and forward-looking, including 2 USB-C 4.0 ports with 40 gigabits per second data transfer, display output, and charging support, along with multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Everything you need for a clean, clutter-free workspace is built right in. From a design standpoint, the Mini PC is sleek, minimal, and professional. It fits easily on a desk, behind a monitor, or in a media cabinet, making it ideal for users who want maximum performance without sacrificing space. Power consumption is also significantly lower than a traditional desktop, making it an efficient and quiet option for long-term daily use. Getorli backs this mini PC with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour professional technical support, offering peace of mind for buyers. Whether you're setting up drivers, expanding hardware, or troubleshooting, reliable after-sales support adds real value, especially for users new to mini PCs. In real-world usage, the Getorli Mini PC feels fast, capable, and future-ready. It handles office productivity effortlessly, excels in creative workloads, supports advanced multitasking across multiple monitors, and delivers solid gaming performance for its class. For users who want desktop-level power in a compact form factor, this system delivers far beyond expectations. In conclusion, the Getorli Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, dual LAN, and 4K 120Hz multi-display support is an outstanding choice for home users, professionals, creators, and light gamers. It combines performance, expandability, connectivity, and efficiency into a compact, modern design that proves you no longer need a bulky tower to get serious computing power.